Hi, Douglas Simonson here, coming to you from Mexico with a drawing demonstration. Today is pretty gay. I'm going to draw two handsome guys about to kiss. I have been experimenting lately with AI-generated images. I've been using Midjourney and a couple of other sites called Dream Studio and SoulGen. SoulGen lets you do images that are not safe for work, nudes, but they're a little strange. The image I'm going to use today is one that SoulGen generated when I asked for an image of two young, hot Brazilian guys naked about to kiss. The bodies turned out a little strange, but I liked the faces, so I decided to just draw that part. And that's what I'm going to do today. And by the way, I'm not going for exact likenesses here. I'm just using the photo as an inspiration. Okay, let's draw. And there is the final drawing. I call it Expectation. You can see it on my website in the Rough Sketches section. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching me draw and maybe picked up some tips. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And if you got a little inspired watching me draw today, great! Sharpen your pencils and go draw!